Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you the best in beauty, travel, and lifestyle. If you're always on the go and looking for the perfect way to keep your toiletries organized, today's review is just for you. We're diving into the BAGSMART Large Toiletry Bag with Hanging Hook, a product designed to make packing and organizing your essentials easier and more efficient. First off, let's talk about the size. The BAGSMART Toiletry Bag measures 12.6 by 9.1 by 4.3 inches when rolled up, giving you a compact, manageable size for your travels. But when you open it up, it expands to 12.6 by 33.5 inches, offering a huge amount of space, perfect for a family trip or just for those who tend to overpack their toiletries. With 4 separate zippered compartments, as well as a back open pocket, you'll have no problem staying organized. And for those full-size containers of shampoo or conditioner, the elastic straps in the inner main pockets hold them upright, so nothing spills. What I really love about this design is the versatility. It's got a 360-degree swivel non-slip metal hook, which allows you to hang it up easily in a hotel bathroom, gym shower, or anywhere else where space might be limited. Plus, with its 2-way zipper closure, accessing your items is quick and simple, even if the bag is not fully opened. The transparent sides give you a clear overview of everything inside, so you're not digging around looking for that tiny bottle of lotion or toothpaste. Now, in terms of material, the BAGSMART bag is made from a water-resistant polyester peach skin fabric. It feels smooth to the touch and has a supple finish, which adds a touch of luxury to your travel gear. The bag also features a well-padded design that keeps its shape intact, even when it's packed to the brim. I've found that the sturdy stitching and heavy-duty material make it durable and able to handle the weight of a full load of toiletries. Let's talk about how it performs in real-world situations. Whether you're going on a weekend getaway, a long vacation, or just using it at the gym, this bag really holds up. I used it for a week-long trip and had no issues fitting all my personal care items, from shampoos and lotions to a razor and deodorant. The convenience of being able to hang it up in a hotel bathroom was a game changer. No more leaving bottles scattered on the countertop. So let's get into the pros and cons. The pros are clear. It's spacious, versatile, and well-designed for keeping everything organized. The water-resistant material is a bonus, especially for those of us who always seem to spill something in our bags. The hook is a huge plus, as it allows you to easily hang the bag anywhere, and the 2-way zipper closure makes accessing your things a breeze. On the downside, while the bag is well padded and durable, it can feel a bit bulky when packed with a lot of items, especially if you're looking for something more compact. Now, as for value for money, I'd say it's definitely worth the price. It offers a lot of features that higher-end toiletry bags don't, like the transparent sides for easy visibility, the multiple compartments, and the durable water-resistant material. If you're someone who travels frequently or just likes to keep your toiletries organized, this bag is a solid investment. In comparison to other toiletry bags on the market, the BAGSMART stands out for its spacious design and the convenience of the hanging hook. Many similar bags may offer similar compartments, but this one gives you the flexibility of hanging it up, which makes a big difference when space is tight. The transparency is another feature that sets it apart from the competition, making it easier to grab what you need at a glance. As far as build quality goes, this bag is top-notch. It's designed to withstand regular use, and after several weeks of testing, it hasn't shown any signs of wear or tear. The padding helps protect your items, and the heavy-duty stitching ensures that it will last through countless trips. I haven't had to reach out to customer support, but based on the product's design and construction, I don't foresee many issues with quality control. BAGSMART has a solid reputation for offering well-made, practical products, so I'm confident in their customer service should any concerns arise. Now, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, there are other toiletry bags on the market that offer similar functionality, though they may not have the same level of organization or durability. However, considering the features this bag offers, the value is definitely there. To wrap things up, the BAGSMART Large Toiletry Bag with Hanging Hook is a fantastic travel companion. It's spacious, well-designed, and durable, with thoughtful features that make packing and organizing your toiletries so much easier. If you're someone who values organization and convenience, this bag is a must-have. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful, and make sure to subscribe to Beautyistic for more tips and reviews. Also, if you've used this bag or have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep your beauty routine as organized as your travel bag.